Am I brave?
We're very popular here in Clearwater, Florida, as you can tell by the absolutely ridiculous amount of seagulls going after our potato chips. And that's just how we do things downtown.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm sure the neighbors hate this shit because now there's like seagulls on trucks and whatnot. We should probably stop this because...
Oh no. Crazy.
We're just doing our part. We should probably stop because there's going to be an influx of seagull shit all over the poor cars in the parking lot, including our own. This is about as close to a petting zoo as you get around here in Clearwater. Yeah, there they go. My chip. My chip. Yeah. I'm a little concerned that I'm going to get punched in the face by a rogue seagull wing here any minute now. Yeah. Oh, yeah.
This is how Alfred Hitchcock got his footage for the birds, with a bag of chips on the beach.
All right. Catch it. Catch and release.